Hello kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, I draw a basket for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this drawing at your home. First of all, draw a rectangle box with scale. Always draw the lines with scale. It makes the drawing so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to draw the lid of the dustbin. Also draw the handle of the dustbin. Draw the handle is very easy. Let's see, our dustbin is ready. Can you draw this at your home? Yes, you can do this. You know, dustbin is used for throwing the waste. Don't throw anything garbage. Always use the dustbin. Draw the face of the dustbin. Draw the smiling face. Draw the tongue and teeth of the dustbin. Also draw the eyes of the dustbin. Can you draw the eyes? It looks awesome and great. Do you like this drawing? Don't forget to outline the drawing. Outline makes the drawing so beautiful and awesome. So outline the drawing with deeper marker. See, it looks so beautiful. Who will tell me what is missing in the drawing? Yes, coloring is missing. Let's coloring with me. I like coloring so much. Do you like coloring? Use the pink color in the drawing. Pink is my favorite color. I like pink color, looks so awesome. Wow, I enjoy a lot. Do you enjoy? Pink is my favorite color. Use the green color. Pink and green color looks so beautiful. Use the red and yellow color. Also color in the eyes. Use the black color in the eyes. See, my drawing is almost ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? Who will draw this drawing at your home?